we're gonna do a maintenance vlog. So keep on watching if you guys want to see my whole routine and see how I get all dolled up on a budget. What's up, my faves? Welcome back to my channel if you're not new here. But if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, we're going to do a maintenance vlog. So I'm gonna just get straight into it. We're gonna do my skincare, eyebrows, hair, and nails. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think that's all we're gonna do. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shave my face. I have some coconut oil, and I just love coconut oil. Some people don't like coconut oil, but I like coconut oil, so I'm gonna use coconut oil on my face, slap it on my face, massage it in, and then start shaving. We're gonna grab a razor. First things first, before you ever touch your face, you want to make sure your hands are clean. So that's what I did here. I washed my hands, and then I went in and poured some warm coconut oil onto the palms of my hand, and I started rubbing that and massaging it into my skin. It feels so good. It smells so nice and light. I absolutely love it, and it leaves my skin really shiny, refreshed, and moisturized. I then go ahead and start shaving. As you guys can see, ew, yucky. I have so much hair on my face. It's quite literally disgusting. It was in need of a shave. I needed it really bad. So I really focus on actually taking my time and making sure that I don't cut into my skin and that I'm not putting too much pressure on my face, because your face is also very sensitive, and you need to make sure that you're very light-handed with it, but you want to make sure that you're doing it effectively, so you are removing all the hairs from your face and that you're left with baby soft skin, smooth. I said that completely wrong. Baby soft skin. Yeah, then I go ahead and wash my face, give myself 2 washes, and then I apply a face mask. This maintenance routine would not be a maintenance routine without a face mask. I just love face masks. It's a staple in my routine, especially when I'm giving my self a really good self-care, a thorough self-care day. I always do a face mask because I feel like it replenishes your skin, it hydrates your skin, it makes your skin more vibrant, brighter, and just plump. So that's what I went and did here. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna be heading into the shower. I'm gonna show you guys my affordable, cheap, on a budget skincare routine. Like what I do to smell good on a budget, and all the products I use. I'm probably gonna give myself a little shave, so I'll probably be in the shower for a little bit longer. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is how you're gonna smell really good on a budget. So I got these 3 items from Walmart, and they're all under $10. So you definitely can just go grab these and be on a budget and smell really good too. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the Johnson's baby oil. I love the way it smells. It just smells so fresh and clean, and plus it's pink. I love pink. Like, if you guys notice, like, my body wash is pink. I just love pink. Pink is my favorite color. So yeah, but you can never go wrong with baby oil. The smell, it smells like baby powder, and baby powder is so good. Like, it just smells so nice and lovely. So definitely baby oil. Then I got some Johnson & Johnson body lotion. It's a baby, it says baby lotion. It's the Johnson & Johnson lotion, and it's also pink and really cute and small. So these are the travel size versions. So they were like $2 something each from Walmart. I also have this body spray. It's the vanilla body spray, and these are the 3 things I'm going to be using to smell really good. It just makes me feel really nice, refreshed. So first up, like I said, is the baby oil. I only use like a little bit because I'm gonna put lotion on top of it, and you don't need much. So I just shaved my arms, and my arms, my top is full. I just shaved my arms, so my arm feels baby smooth. I love when my arm feels really nice and smooth. It just feels so soft and luscious. I just absolutely love it, and it just shines different, you know what I'm saying? So I only put a little bit. As you guys can see, that really covered my arms, both my arms and my chest area. Then I'm gonna put some lotion on. So I'm gonna take some lotion. I'm gonna finish the rest of my body off camera, but I'm just showing you guys the process. So just put some lotion on. I like to go ham with the lotion because the lotion smells really good and it's really soft. So I just go crazy. I put some on my neck, on my chest area. I like to really focus on the elbows because that's the ashiest part of your arms. And yeah, I have a white cast because I just put a lot. So definitely be mindful how much you put because it can take some time to dry. And if you're in a rush trying to get out the door, you may want to be careful with how much you put. Moisturize my hands as well. It smells so good. I love it. As you guys can see, it's not drying up and absorbing into my skin. Okay, and to match the aesthetics of this video, I'm going to be wearing my pink outfit. Where did shirt go? This is the pink outfit I'm gonna wear. This is from TikTok Shop. It came as a set with the pants and the shirt. It's super comfy, very lightweight, very stretchy and comfortable. So I'm gonna be wearing it, and plus it's pink. As you guys know, I love pink. And then the last thing we're gonna apply is the vanilla spray. This is also from Walmart. I don't know if I mentioned that already. And this was also like $1 something, $2. I like to be generous with this because it's cheap and you want to smell good for as long as you can. So yeah, this is the Vanilla Body Fantasies. And the last thing I'm gonna apply is my deodorant. So this deodorant came in a pack of 2. I love this deodorant, guys. Like, if you guys are looking for a good deodorant that's not $8 to $10, because I realized Walmart deodorants cost about, like, good ones like 10, probably the lowest on the higher end side. So it's like $12. Definitely get your hands on this one. This one is really, really good and it's cheap. It comes in a pack of 2 for like $3, $4. I don't remember. Don't quote me on that. But this is the Degree 48-hour anti-persistent. What does that say? Anti-perspirant deodorant. I don't know. I just call it deodorant. Whatever that says. Cool Rush. This is the Cool Rush one. It looks like this. I love this blue color. It's really pretty. This color is like a teal blue color. And this is men deodorant and it works amazing, guys. Like when it says 48 hours, like literally it really does the job. Like, and this is coming from someone who gets funky really easy. I sweat really easy, and this covers my butt all the time. Like, I don't be smelling and I just love it. You guys, I want to give you guys an apology because my phone flash is not working currently because my phone is overheating, so it turned off the flash, so I don't have a flash on, and I'm so sorry about that, guys. And I can't find my lamp for the light. I don't know where that went. Guys, I'm so sad because I can't find my lamp. How do you lose a whole lamp? Like, what? It don't even make sense. That don't even make any sense. It's not clicking. Like, how do you lose a whole lamp? Like, be for real. I'm gonna turn on my, what is it called? Flat iron. Edge control, brush. What is it called? What is it called? What is it called? A wand curler? No. It's called comb, iron comb. Flat, no. What is this called? A heat comb? I don't know what it's called. What is it called? A press comb. I think it's a press comb. I'm gonna just call it a press comb. Hot comb. A hot comb. How did I forget that? A hot comb. We're gonna use a hot comb. So this is the wig I'm gonna be wearing. This is an old wig that I got from like AliExpress. It was a 30-inch wig that I recycled for years. I had this for so long, since I was 18, guys. This wig I've been holding on since I was 18. Look at the curls. It's holding on really well. This was one of the really cheapest wigs that I seen I could afford for my, I think it was like my prom or my graduation. I think it was like, I don't know. And I just know like 6 years ago, I bought from AliExpress. It was like one something, like less than 130 or no more than $130, and I've kept it, and it's a 5x5 closure, and I already curled it. I did it off camera, but we're gonna like fix it up a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this on right now. I'm gonna clip these. It don't have like a strap in the back, like that thick band, so I'm gonna just use these two clips right here because it's so stretchy. Like, and just center it. I'm gonna center mine. I should have put a little bit of concealer. We're gonna take the hot comb and like, I'm gonna brush out these curls. But yeah, we're gonna take the hot comb. What the hell is going on here? What is going on here? Use it right. Let's comb out the curls. I don't like this one curl right here. See that? Like, what the hell is that? I like my curls to be brushed out, like that natural look. This right here, what in the world is going on? So we're just gonna try to get that to act right, because it's acting a fool. I want some nice simple edges. So we're gonna just take this edge control. I'm not gonna tell you the name because it's being boycotted right now. So no free promo over here. Just put a little bit, I'm putting like a dot. Like, I'm not going crazy. Like, I'm just being real mindful, very thoughtful, very cutesy. So I just want like the light edges. Why the hell is my edge? Do you guys see that? Do you guys just see that? It's not bad. It looks pretty natural. Looks like I just came out the salon, like the Dominican salon. So that's my hair for the day. Let's see how my face is glowing. And no product, guys. No product at all. I'm gonna do my lashes. So we're gonna take lashes. These are the ones I don't really like, but we're gonna have to use them anyways. We're gonna see how they look. I use them once and I wasn't really a fan, but I didn't really give it a try for real. So we're gonna give it a little try. I'm gonna see what it do. So we got the Bond. This the lash glue. This is Bond, and then it says C, even though it means seal.
Purchase your tracks today.
Is this enough or should I put more? You guys, I just finished my lashes. Oh my god, that's so good. Okay. Alright guys, so my lashes stuck to my lashes. My hair stuck to my lashes. So this is the final look, guys. Really pretty, very classy, very cutesy. And then I'm gonna take some lip gloss. This is from TikTok Shop. This lip gloss is a bomb. I absolutely love it. It's from TikTok Shop, and I definitely recommend you guys to get it. It has a tint to it, and I just love how it looks. Look, guys. Yeah, see that? Oh, so good. I love the tint that it gets on it. Hey you guys, so I am completely done with this maintenance vlog. Hope you guys enjoy. So this is how my nails turned out. Really pretty. We're in the mirror, very cutesy. I'm obsessed with this complete look. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys.